sea eagle because he have a bad habit. He steal the fish from the boats when he want to eat, but he can catch small mammals, chicken and fish. From Russia, but we can find in Korea, Taiwan, China, and someone they visit Japan like a group. هذا أكبر نسر بحري سارت بالعالم. He found it! Thank you, Anus. Thank you, Marlon. They also train all the time in Green Park for representation. Yalla, come on, yalla, yalla. I know where is he going, DJ. المحطة القادمة هي. Next station is Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall. Yeah? Mariam, you saving your money? No? Let's go from the 3, 2, 1, go, 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 go. Everybody, come in hands, come on, come on. Zafula, Zafula, aywa, 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 aywa. One more, one more, one more, one more. What's she thinking? So you're today using 4 colors, blue, yellow, green and red. عم يستخدم 4 ألوان، أبيض، أسود، رمادي، زهر. By the way, this is a white silvery crust cockatoo famous in Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, Australia, Philippines. The white cockatoo, color of the eyes black, boy like him. Color of the 60 to 100 years of age, بيعيشوا من 60 ل 100 عام. The black band cockatoo in Indonesia, الكاكاتو الأسود, can live more than 100 years with the same partner. بيعيش أكثر من 100 عام تقريبا مع نفس الشريك. Did you win? You can live with the same partner, same wife. Toucans family, toucan species. من عائلة التوكان فصيلة toucan. Listen, I will show you how to feed. One gentleman will do that after me. Bird will come here. We'll eat 2 pieces. 1, 2. Close your mouth. He will fly back to train our father. My friend sitting doing nothing. Come help. Cat, who's the one take your food and run away every day? Dog. Coco, be honest with me. خليك صريح معي. When you look at Dubai and see a nice name. In Dubai, what is the first words we have to say to the people in Arabic?
Say hello in Arabic. Salam alaikum.
Alaikum assalam. What do you want to ask everybody here?
Everybody, how are you? How are you?
Doing good. What about the morning?
How about in the morning?
Good morning.
Good morning, Coco. Flashlight, mommy, flashlight. Mommy, flashlight. Aywa. Hands up. Check, check, check this. Love, 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 love. Check the agent, check the way from cause we are the best stars. هلا لإعادة تدوير، إعادة تصنيع، إعادة استخدام ونخلي الكوكب نظيف. Help mommy to clean the house. After you finish cleaning, what you should do? لإعادة تدوير، إعادة تصنيع، إعادة استخدام ونخلي الكوكب نظيف. علي علي علي. With all respect to you, مع كل احترام للإمارات طبعا. Thank you مريم. Thank you Jane. Hello. Adele. Hiba 5 years old, Adele 4 years old. They are best friends all the time together. Thank you Hiba. Thank you Adele. Go back home. Yeah. What is this? What? Oh yeah! Give Luna a big clapping! Wise men say, only fools rush home. So now, clap your hands, Zafula! Everybody, clap your hands. Everybody, clap your hands. Everybody, They drink water, they get the water from the food like fish. They do not drink water directly. يعني تخيلوا 85 ل 100 سنة يستخدموهم فقط لالتقاط الأسماك. ما بيشربوه أبدا بشكل مباشر، بيحصلوه من طعام السمك. They have a strong kidney to filter the water and their kidney طويلة صغيرة. You are shouting? What do you want? Take a Sergey. Luna is looking to the painting and she's shouting. So is there any chance to ask Luna if she likes the painting? Around the world, 42 species of dolphins. The largest is the orca, the smallest is the monkey in New Zealand. أكبر أنواع الأذكار. Gabi Lulu dancing tour. Beaching time. Same the way they catch the fish in the wild. This is the beach. Then I go so fast back to the water. Beaching. Rolling, DJ music equal to salsa, rolling, dance. Yes. So, señorita y señorita, salsa dancing. Vamos, vamos, Delfina. Vamos, DJ. Everyone, come on, everyone, come on. Although this you win. Can I ask you something, Kuya? Can you hit the twist? To the front stage إلى المسرح الأمامي to show you the black. Wow, interesting. Bravo, ragazzi. Clicks and whistles, Safira con Pizzazazza. Oh my God. For communication, dolphins using sounds and body language. التواصل تلافي بالسمع والأصوات ولغة الجسد. With all respect to all of you. Yeah, come on. أيوة. Standard crap. 2 points. Now we can say, welcome to the Dolphins Airlines way. Asking the Dolphins to do it, we call it opposite different reinforcement. Giving them order to jump so high. Fly. And here now, it's time for Dolphin Speed Up. دايما يسمى فلوك مسطح قوي جدا يساعده لدفع الجسد للسباق بسرعه عاليه. Round 1. Race! Fire! Wow! Both of them are winners all the time. Oh yeah! Now, basket. Jumping over the water is a natural behavior. أصبح الماء سلوك طبيعي. Take some noise for them. Ready? Look. Ladies and gentlemen, with me together, say hello, Dolphin! Luna, shukran jazeelan. Gabriel, handsome boy, I love you too. Thank you. And now let's watch the dolphins jumping so high to the sky.